Hey everyone, Golden Ninja 3000 here again. We've just gotten some crazy news about the summer 2021 Avengers sets. Now, we had set numbers and prices for all of these, but now we have names and we know some of the minifigures. So, set number 76186 is Black Panther Dragon Flyer, 202 pieces, $20. 76189 is Captain America and Hydra Face Off, 4 plus, 49 pieces, $10. 76190 is Iron Man, Ironmonger Mayhem, 479 pieces, $40. 76191 is an 18 plus set for 70 with 590 pieces. I'm guessing that's a helmet. And then 76192 is Avengers Endgame Final Battle, 527 pieces, $70. As you can see, all of these Avengers sets are going to be non-comic based. They're all MCU based. And we do know that we're getting a Black Panther minifigure in the Dragon Flyer. The Endgame Final Battle set will include a Big Fig that's likely Thanos, as well as Korg with a new head mold and Rocket Raccoon in his Endgame comic book inspired outfit. This is insane news because we've wanted LEGO to go back and make sets from like earlier MCU movies so that they can give us like really awesome builds and minifigures that they missed out on. But I never thought it would actually happen, and it's actually happening now. We still don't know what the biggest set is with 1,901 pieces. It's going to cost $150. Personally, I really hope that that's a Sanctuary 2. I don't know what the build for the Endgame Final Battle could be, but I'm guessing it's just going to be like terrain and then like maybe one of like those kind of like gorilla monsters that Thanos had. I'd really love it if it was a Sanctuary 2 or like just a big Leviathan, but I can't wait to see what's in there. I'd also kind of love it if that set gave us another Giant Man. In terms of minifigures for that set, like we could see Cap, Hawkeye, Black Widow in like their Endgame outfits. I know Black Widow wasn't in that fight, but LEGO put her in a set like for a fight that she wasn't in with the rescue set, so I think they could do it again. But I'd also really love a War Machine minifigure in his Iron Patriot Mark II armor. There's just so many possibilities here. I can't believe we're finally getting an Ironmonger. The Black Panther Dragon Flyer, that's a really cool ship, so I'm excited that we're getting that as well. And I really just can't wait to get these things because I never thought that we would see these sets. This news comes from Promo Bricks. I've linked to their website in the description. I'm really excited. I can't overstate that enough. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated as we see more. We have already seen the Korg headpiece leak, and it looks amazing. So that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in more videos soon. Bye for now.